Alright, here's something a little different for you. Working on the wife's car now. She's had a code pop for a cam position sensor bank 2. Periodically it'll pop, her engine will start idling real rough, and you gotta rev it up, do whatever, something like that to get stabilized, but it usually stabilizes pretty quickly. Maybe shut it off, turn it back on, but anyway, code always pops. I forget what the exact code is at the moment. P0021. I'll post it anyway. But it ends up being cam position sensor bank 2 on the on these Nissan Altima's O2 V6s. Bank 2 is the front, if you will, or the left, as you're looking at the engine from the what would be the rear of the engine, which is driver's side. Bank 2 is right up front here. It's this little green clip right there. Bank 1, where'd it go? Right down there. On the other side of this. There it is, that green. I know it's kind of hard to see, but right here where my finger's moving around. That's bank 1. Anyway, cam position sensor. I'm just doing the one. Done some reading. Hopefully that's all I gotta do. Some guys have had issues in the past, needing to replace both or off brands. I've ordered a Beck Arnley, which is known for their foreign parts, foreign vehicles and that sort. So hopefully this Beck Arnley works good for me. Anyway, I'll get down to it. I'm gonna just set up here. Hopefully my hand doesn't get in the way where we got you set at too much, but looks pretty straightforward. Watched a couple other videos online, showed taking off this cover and the the cover here and the intake piece between the air box and the intake. I'm looking at it now. I was rounding up tools and got over here ready to get going, see what else I needed, and this thing's right up front. I don't know why they took that all off, even for the bank 1. And, it gives you a little bit extra room, but there's really no need to take all that out, I don't believe. So I'm going to set you up here. Hopefully my hand doesn't get in the way, and we'll get her done. Got no ring around it, so it's just got to get wiggled out. Push that guy down. Get a rag right quick. Old one, new one. Looks pretty good to me. Just like that. So we'll get that lined up, get that bolt back in. I know my fingers are in the way a lot, but you know how that goes. I think I got you zoomed in a little bit too to get a better look, but all right. All right, clean everything up. Everything's tight, everything's back in. Make sure it starts up. All right, that's it. Hopefully that's the second time. I'm not used to starting her car. I may not have hit the key far enough, long enough to get it to crank. I'm used to, of course, driving my truck. But like I said, it didn't happen all the time. It was only periodically that it'd be a rough start, rough idle, and then it'd clear itself right back up. So we'll see if it pops again, but it starts up. That's all that matters. So until next time.